Are you ready to unlock your earnings with Topstep? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to get your payout in 2025, ensuring you maximize your trading profits. Let's dive in. First, to be eligible for a payout, you must have successfully completed the trading combine and hold either an express funded account or a live funded account. Here's how it works. You need to achieve at least 5 winning trading days, defined as days when your net profit and loss is USD 200 or more. After 5 winning days, you can request a payout of up to 50% of your account balance. If you maintain 30 winning days, you can withdraw 100% of your profits at any time. Once you meet this criteria, follow these steps. Ensure that your account balance allows for the desired payout. Payout request can be made daily with a minimum withdrawal amount of USD 125 or 125. Simply log into your Topstep account and navigate to the payout section. Topstep offers various options such as ACH, Wire, and Swift for receiving your funds. After submitting your request, payouts are processed daily but can take between 1 to 10 days to reach your account depending on the payment method chosen. Keep in mind that Topstep has a profit sharing policy. You retain 100% of profits until cumulative payouts reach USD 10,000. Beyond that threshold, the split changes to a 90 by 10 ratio where you receive 90% of future payouts. Now that you know how to navigate Topstep payout process, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Remember to track your winning days and make timely requests for your hard-earned profits. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading!